Now, let's walk through how to use the Sublimation Craft Calculator step by step. This tool helps you calculate your true product cost, profit, and margin in seconds. First, start with your material cost per item. This is the price of your blank, whether it's a mug, shirt, tumbler, or panel. Enter that number exactly as you pay for it. Next, move to ink and paper cost per item. Estimate how much ink and transfer paper each product uses. If you're unsure, take your ink bottle price and divide it by average prints to get a rough per item number. Now enter your labor cost per item. Even if you're working alone, your time has value. Decide how much you want to earn per hour. Then divide that by how many items you can produce in that hour. This gives you a realistic labor cost. After that, add your overhead per item. This includes electricity, equipment wear, packaging, and workspace expenses. Even small amounts matter when you produce in volume. Now enter your selling price per item. This is the amount you plan to charge your customer. Be honest here, this is where your profit margin will be calculated from. Next, enter the quantity for your batch. If you're testing a single item, enter 1. If you're pricing a bulk order, enter the full quantity. Once all fields are filled in, click Calculate. The calculator instantly shows your total cost. It also shows total revenue for the full batch. Then it displays your total profit, and finally, it calculates your profit margin percentage. This percentage tells you how healthy your pricing really is. If your margin is under 40%, you may be underpricing. If it's between 40 and 60%, you're generally in a stable range for small sublimation businesses. Now, let's look at a quick example. Imagine your mug costs $2.50. Ink and paper costs 75 cents. Labor is $2. Overhead is 50 cents. Your total cost per item is $5.75. If you sell it for $12, your margin is over 50%. That's a strong, sustainable number. The real power of this calculator is testing scenarios. Try different selling prices. Try different quantities. See how bulk discounts affect your profit. You'll quickly notice how even a $1 or $2 change impacts your yearly income. This removes guesswork completely. Instead of copying competitor prices, you price based on real math. Before finalizing any new product, always run it through this calculator. Before offering discounts, test them here first. And whenever material prices increase, update your inputs immediately. Consistent recalculation protects your margins long term. That's it. Simple inputs, clear outputs, smarter pricing decisions. Use the Sublimation Craft Calculator every time you price and let the numbers guide your growth.